Ever start recording, then forget your next line halfway through? Or keep looking away at notes and end up with multiple retakes? Filmora 15.6 introduces Teleprompter inside screen recording, making it easier to follow your script naturally while recording. Let's see how it works. Before we begin, if you haven't already installed Wondershare Filmora, please visit the official website and download the latest version. Then, install it on your computer. Also, remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of our upcoming videos. Filmora 15.6 adds a new teleprompter feature directly into screen recording. Instead of switching between documents, sticky notes, or another monitor, you can display your script directly while recording and customize how it appears. You can upload your own script, adjust readability, and control the scrolling speed, all inside one workflow. Enable teleprompter during screen recording. Click on the screen recorder, and when you open screen recording, you'll now see the teleprompter option available directly inside the recording interface on the right side. Once enabled, a script panel appears while preparing your recording session. This allows you to keep your content visible without leaving the recording workspace. You can adjust the teleprompter size using mouse, or you can adjust the position of the teleprompter. Whether you're creating tutorials, presentations, product demos, or educational videos, everything stays in one place. Upload script using TXT format. Getting started is simple. Instead of manually typing long scripts, you can upload your content directly using a .txt file. Just prepare your script beforehand, import it into Teleprompter, and Filmora loads it instantly. This is especially useful for tutorial recordings, product walkthroughs, video narrations, training content. No more switching between windows during recording. Adjust font size for better readability. Reading comfort matters while recording. Filmora lets you adjust the teleprompter font size from 16 pixels up to 64 pixels. Need more text visible on screen? Use smaller sizes. Recording farther from your monitor? Increase the font size for easier reading. This flexibility helps create a more comfortable recording setup for different workflows. Align text position and control scrolling speed. Filmora also gives you control over how your script appears. You can adjust the text position alignment to place the script where it feels most natural while recording. And if the scrolling feels too fast or too slow, you can customize the teleprompter speed. The scrolling speed can be adjusted from 0.5 times to 2.0 times. Use slower speeds for detailed explanations, or increase speed for shorter, faster presentations. This helps maintain a natural delivery pace without rushing or stopping. With Teleprompter and Filmora 15.6, recording becomes more streamlined and easier to manage. Upload scripts with TXT support, customize font size, reposition text, and control reading speed, all directly inside screen recording. Try Teleprompter in Filmora 15.6 and make your next recording easier to deliver. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your fellow creators and editors. For more Filmora 15 tutorials and video editing tips, subscribe to our channel and visit filmora.wondershare.com for templates, effects, and resources. See you in the next one!